Hey guys, in this video we are going to discuss the question set number 28 in our DBMS question series. The first question says, what is the highest mark obtained in Sinhala literature in all term examinations of all the students of class 11B? So here we have to select max mark from student exam mark record table. After that we have to inner join student table, and we have to see student exam mark record table dot student index number is equals to student table dot index number. After that we can insert the class table. We have to see student table dot class id is equals to class id. And we have to insert the subject table also. Inner join subject table, and we have to see student exam mark record table dot subject id is equals to subject table dot subject id. And we can give the condition here where subject name is Sinhala language and literature, and the class name is 11B. After executing this query, you can see the result here. The max mark is 99. Second question says, what is the highest mark and subject of Sachitra Vikramasinghe's first term subjects in all subjects? We have to select the highest mark and the subject of Sachitra Vikramasinghe. Term name is first term. Term is first term. And here we have to select the mark and the subject name. From student exam mark record table. And here we have to join the subject table also. And we have to see student exam mark record table dot subject id is equals to subject table dot id. Okay. And we can give the condition where mark. So we have to give the subquery here where mark should be max mark. Select max mark. We have to select the max mark from student exam mark record table. And here we have to inner join student table and the first term. we have to inner join student table, and we have to see student exam mark record dot index number is equals to student table dot index number. After that, we can inner join the exam term table also, and here we have to see student exam mark record table dot exam term id is equals to exam term dot term id, and here they can give the condition where first name is equals to and the last name is equals to first name is Sachitra and the last name is Vikramasinghe and the term name is first term. After execute this query, you can see the result here. The third question says find the name and mark of students. Find the name and mark of students who scored between 70 and 90 marks in the mathematics subject in the first term examination. So we have to select the name and the mark. We have to select the mark and the name. I use first name and the last name. From exam mark record table, and we can inner join student table, and we have to see student exam mark record table dot student index number is equals to student table dot index number. Okay, after that we have to inner join the subject table, and we have to see student exam mark record table dot subject id is equals to subject table dot subject id, and we can inner join the term also, and we have to see student exam mark record table dot exam term id is equals to exam term dot term id, and here we can give the condition the term name is first term and the subject name is mathematics, subject name is mathematics, and the mark should be between 70 and 90, and mark between 70 and 90. After execute this query, you can see the result set here. These are the students who obtain between 70 and 90 marks for mathematics in first term examination. The first question says, Find the subject and mark with the highest marks obtained in mathematics and science subjects in Amanda Moses first term examination. Find the subject and the mark. So here we have to select mark and the subject name, mark and the subject name from student exam mark report table, and here we can join subject table, and we have to see student exam mark report table dot subject id is equals to subject table dot subject id. After that we can join, after that we have to join student table, and we have to see student exam mark record table dot student index number is equals to student table dot index number. After that we can join the exam term table also, and here also we have to see student exam mark record table dot exam term id is equals to exam term dot term id. After that we can give the condition here where first name is equals to and last name is equals to and term name is equals to term name is first and the student last name is Moses and the first name is Amanda. Okay. And the subject is we have to give the subject also. Subject name. Here they are saying we have to the highest marks of in mathematics and the science. We have to use a join code here in mathematics and the science. So Amanda Moses got 93 marks for mathematics subject in first term examinations and the 75 for science examination. And the last question says Madara Abeysekera find the highest marks in mathematics and science and Sinhala language in the second term examination. So here we have to use select and we have max mark from student exam mark record table. And we have to measure student table, and we have to see student exam mark record table dot student index number is equals to student table dot index number. After that we can join subject table and the exam term table. And we have to see student exam mark record table dot subject id is equals to subject table dot id, and we can inner join exam term table also. Here we have to see student exam mark record table dot exam term id is equals to exam term dot term id, and we can give the condition here where student first name is equals to and the last name is equals to and the term name and we have to give the subject name. So the first name is Madara, last name is Vanasekara, term name is second term, and the subject name. There are three subjects, so we have to use a subquery here. Mathematics, science, and Sinhala language and literature. After execute this query, this is the highest marks. Mark is 85. So these are the requirements of question set number 28. We'll meet from the question set number 29. Thank you.